Hey YouTubers, it's Mark again with Hanging with the Hyatts. I'm doing another project on the Polaris. It's going to be hopefully quick and easy, but I'm going to take one of these 12-volt plugs out, and I'm going to put a digital voltmeter in place of it. It also has two USB ports, quick charging for our phones or tablet or whatever. That's what I'm doing now. So I got to take the top of the dash out again, which ain't that big of a deal. It's 4 rivets or 5, something like that. But anyway, when I get it done, I'll make another video. Until then, ring the bell, ding ding, and thanks for watching. Okay, I got the old one out, and I'm getting ready to put the new one in, but a couple things I had to do is the holes a little too small. Had to drill it out. I used a U-bit to drill it out a little bit more to fit the new plug in. And I also had to, for some reason, this spade on the original one was smaller. I don't know why, but why they done that. I guess that's one of their things, but now it matches. So I just cut the old one off and crimped a new one on. Put some heat tape over it, heat shrink, put a heat gun on it, good to go.